What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Yes, you guys, I'm here in Dollar Tree finding tons of new items. I just came across these little towels. These are flour sack towels. They're a little bit on the thin side. They feel a little bit kind of like, maybe not quite flour sack all the way, but you guys just come feel them for yourself. I mean, they are really cute. Okay, so we have Food Friends Sunshine. We have Boat Waves, Sun Rays, Ain't Nothing Like Summer Days. And we have The Beach Is My Happy Place. Up top, we have some brand new Wipe Clean Piva flannel backing tablecloths. We have watermelon and strawberry, and we have the oranges one, the citrus one. Here is the matching towel for the tablecloth. Love that. And then we also have this one that matches the watermelons and the strawberries. Now, I didn't see this one anywhere, but actually it's back there. I can see it, you guys. I'm just way too short, like it's way up there. But it is here. So you actually have 3 tablecloths to match these towels. Now let's come over here and see if we have any other coordinating towels or pot holders or anything. I'm seeing the lemons, but the lemon doesn't match what we have. However, it does match this right here. And this is like a microfiber. And these are we get 1 towel for $1.25. We also have this variety. We have Summer Vibes. We have Trop It Like It's Hot. They didn't put in tropic, they just wrote Trop It Like It's Hot. In past years, we've seen them say Tropic Like It's Hot. So yes, lots of new towels. I think this one might be new as well. It's also microfiber. And it has the matching dish drying mats and the matching pot holders and the matching oven mitt. We also have the brown hand towels. These are not microfiber. I definitely prefer the feel of this. But then we also have the microfiber variety. We have some washcloths here. I think these are actually for the bathroom. The hand towel and the washcloths. And then these are for the kitchen. We also have, nope, those are not dish drying mats. I was about to say they were. But we have the matching pot holders. We also have navy. We have gray and we have black. Now these are all new. Life is a beautiful ride. And guess what, you guys? It's not microfiber. If you're not a fan of the microfiber, then you're gonna like how this feels. We also have the matching oven mitt. And we have the matching 2 pot holders. We also have Life is Meant to Be Lived. We have the oven mitt and the pot holders. And then we also have This Kitchen is Seasoned with Love. We also have Live, Laugh, Love, matching oven mitt, matching pot holders, the return of the frozen margarita recipes, towels and oven mitts. A house is not a home without paw prints. Again, feels pretty nice. A little pet, like big washcloth, like maybe to put under their food bowl. We have a ton of, are these pillowcases? These are pillowcases, you guys, and they're not the satin ones. They're polyester, 20 by 30 inches. We have a variety of them here. Red, some are satin, some are poly. Shiny satin, black satin, poly, just a variety, a nice variety. Made for sunny days. These are new. Aww, made for sunny days. That's cute. Made for sunny days. I like that. Super cute. Super, super cute. Oh, we have more over here. Little dish towels. They're calling them dishcloths. Those are super cute. Yeah, that's a nice little set right there. We have the grilling one. Chilling and grilling. Cold drinks, good eats, and barbecue. We have good coffee is a pleasure, good friends are a treasure. And then we have some wine themed ones. Wine themed. We have the chef themed ones with the little storefront. There is definitely a lot to choose from over here. A whole lot. This is probably the hugest selection that I have seen in a really, really long time. Just so many choices. Oh, this one's new. Summertime cocktails and backyard barbecue. Food, family, and good times. These are definitely new, but they just didn't have room for them. Grill, eat, chill, repeat. And then I can't forget all the different little placemats over here. We have the little thin, wipe clean ones for the kids, just so they don't scratch up the table, don't spill on the table. Spider-Man, Paw Patrol, Spidey, some cloth ones. Plaid, this material, a few different colors. The lemon ones are so cute, made for sunny days. These ones feel kind of nice, the black and white, the red and white, the solid blue. This one, it's like a blue and white. And we have the green. I got a couple of these recently, and they're holding up pretty good. Yeah, you guys. We even have pillow covers here. 18 by 18 and matching table runners. Brown, gray, black, and cream. Well, you guys, I'm just finding so many things over here. I'm gonna go ahead and start one more video. Once again, I feel like I'm running out of time because I'm always needing to head over to Aldi, which is next door, and get my grocery shopping in before they close. For some reason, I don't know. I'm always running behind, but thank you guys so much for joining me here in Dollar Tree. I can't wait to show you just a little bit more in my next video, so definitely come back to the very next one. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.